Hey guys, welcome to LJ Woodworks. Today we're going to talk about how to sharpen carbide cutters. You're seeing a couple different options here, from the Rockler carbide honing system to a trend diamond plate. We're going to use those to sharpen up carbides. Now, obviously not just turning tools have carbides. There you're seeing the Work Sharp with a 1200 grit CBN wheel on it. The carbides are also on your marking gauges. Alright, we're going to go ahead and get the carbide out of my, this is actually my original set of carbide turning tools. The first set of tools I ever bought for my lathe. Came from Rockler. Go ahead and remove that little screw, and then the most important thing I can tell you is to put the screw back in the tool until you're done sharpening. Just like that. Those screws are small, you'll knock them over and you'll never find them again. So we're going to start out with the Rockler carbide cutter honing system. It's got a little felt pad on the back so it doesn't move around. It's also currently on sale over at Rockler for 13 bucks. It's got this little plastic piece, has a built-in magnet. So the carbide just clips right in. Now we're just going to spray some Windex on there to lubricate the honing tool and get started. I think I spent about 30 seconds doing this. And as you'll see, it wasn't enough. I'd been using these tools for a while, so they had gotten pretty dull. That last one was fast forwarded, but it started out about a minute long. And we're still not quite there. Getting there though. Next up, we're going to use the trend diamond plate. This is a 1000 grit plate on one side, 300 grit on the other. Typically use this for my chisels and planes, but it is a diamond plate, so it does work on carbide. And now we're getting to my preferred method for sharpening carbides, using a power tool. So using the Work Sharp here, it's got a 1200 grit CBN wheel on it, and it makes quick work of sharpening carbides. That CBN wheel came from Woodturner's Wonders. You find them online, great company. Now here total spent about 30 to 40 seconds, and this carbide tip was sharp after that. Here I was just testing to see if I could get that square carbide any sharper, and I could not. This is another test I just wanted to run. I'd been told that the Sharpens were able to cut and use carbide. It did not cut carbide at all. So I spent about 45 seconds doing this and nothing. Now, since I have the Work Sharp with the CBN wheel, I'm going to use it just to quickly go through the round and diamond point cutters, just to get them taken care of. And so we're going to kind of skip ahead and fast forward. It's about 30 to 40 seconds each carbide. So to our quick summary, the Rockler cutter honing system is fantastic, especially for 13 bucks. You really can't beat that. If you didn't already have a diamond plate, that's a no-brainer. If you have a diamond plate, you can use that to sharpen your carbides. And if you have a Work Sharp with a CBN wheel, that is by far the fastest way to get it done. So I hope this helps you guys.